This right here is the stop motion effect, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using just your phone and CapCut to make your vlogs more enjoyable and more fun to watch. Now let's dive right into how I made this possible. First thing, I'm going to move this pillow and then leave the frame. Make sure that you're completely out of the frame. Then you move back into the frame. You place the next pillow where it's supposed to be and you move out of the frame. Now the next thing we have our blanket. I am going to adjust this right here. Then I will move out of the frame. Now that is done, I am going to do the next adjustment to it, which is this. And I'm still going to move out of the frame. You keep doing this for as many steps as you want to show in your video. I can release this one. And voila, we have something. Now over to CapCut. Import your clip into CapCut. Now move the playhead just before you enter the frame and create a split. Move it again after you do the first action. Create another split and delete the part to the left. So you have something like this. Now do that for the rest of the scenes. The goal here is to cut and remove every part where you get into the frame to adjust or move the object. So what we are doing now is we are literally removing those clips where we physically place ourselves in the scene. So we have something like this. Now to make this action seamless, you might want to reduce the duration, the amount of time you spend per clip. To make this more interesting, we'll go ahead and add a sound effect. Let's say rubbing clothes. Now you select one. Rubbing clothes. Add it, and there you go. Now if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you on me next.